loves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It is Sunday. Happy Sunday. Though it's Sunday, your girl just finished working out. I wake up in not such a good mood this morning, and I say, Lord, not today. I need to shake it off. I know what I need to do to shake it off. So I just jump on the treadmill. I had babe cheering me on, and I just get the 50 minutes run in. I ran 6 miles and I feel really good. It's actually 12 p.m. right this minute. Haven't eaten. Babe has been holding it down for me in terms of he's been prepping in the kitchen so I can jump in. Tyler is pretty excited over there about what he's doing. Babe been prepping for me in the kitchen so I can just jump in after I finish, because I'm cooking early today and I decided I'm going to cook a good amount of things today. So yeah, that's what's up. I am pretty tired. I need to jump in the shower and get me something to eat. By the time I prepare what to eat, it will be lunchtime, because I make sure I prepare babe breakfast before I jump into workout earlier this morning. But yeah, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Though it's Sunday, I got a little workout in and that feels really good, and I'm now in a good mood. I'm now in a better mood. I'm feeling nothing like I was feeling this morning, so thank God for that workout. Babe is here as usual. As usual. Say hi.
Hi, as usual.
And Tyler is over there on his app as usual. So alright, you guys, I'm going to jump in the shower, get fresh, and then jump in the kitchen. So I'll catch you guys along the way. You want to show them what you're doing? Say hello. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. You're not saying hi? You're not blowing them kisses either?
No.
Ah!
No.
Did you just say that?
No.
Did you really just say that?
No.
Why?
No.
Why? Oh my God.
No.
You guys, did you just hear that, babe? I said to Tyler, are you going to tell them morning and blow them kisses? He says no. No. No.
No.
No.
No.
You're something else, feisty like mama. Alright, and papa.
And mama.
Alright, you guys, so here's what's going on right now. I'm in the kitchen making brunch, because this can be breakfast. This is steamed veg. I have pak choy, cabbage, and tuna in here. And over here, I'm already making dinner. I have curry shrimp going and rice and peas over here. And then I'm gonna make some raw veggies with some carrots and cucumber. So the kitchen is in full effect, and babe is of course helping me washing dishes. He doesn't look so happy. What is it? You don't look happy washing dishes?
It's me, my usual face for you, and you always tell me to fix my face.
True.
My usual face.
He have a face sometimes that I wonder, babe, why can't you fix your face? You look like you're mad at the world, honey. Just smile.
Just smile like this.
You're hilarious. Anyway, you guys, I am cooking. I'm tired and I'm hungry. And my feisty kid is somewhere around the place with his nose. So I'm about to just finish up in the kitchen, eat, and then figure out the rest of my day. I think my job in the kitchen is officially finished. Veggies for dinner is ready. Brunch is ready. Curry shrimp is ready. And rice and peas is ready. My job is done. Donezo. I'm so tired. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. It's 1 p.m. right now, and I can't eat just yet because I need to go give Tyler a bath, put him down for a nap, and then I can eat. You guys, look who is working out in his zone, honey. Where's the working out? Where's the working out? When? I've been standing here waiting on you. Where's the rest? Peeking at the pool at the pretty girls. Huh? You peeking at the pool at the pretty girls, that's all you out here doing. Work, boy, work. Work, work, work. Work, work, work. Go, baby, hey, hey, hey. I've distracted you. Did you say yes? Come on, man. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Come on, come. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hilarious. Tyler, give Papa a break. He's working out. If this isn't hilarious, go ahead, baby. Go ahead. Work out with Papa. Work out with Papa. Why he doesn't do that to me? Why? This is so hilarious. Oh my god. Yes, use him as a tool. Push up. Here is laugh. That's a good workout. Really? You want me to come sit on top of you, let you do that? Huh? You want me to come sit on top of you for you to push me up like that? Tell her you're working out. Yes, baby, do the bicycle. You just never stop until you run Papa off his mat, don't you? So we sat in the house all that cold, wet day. I sat there with Sally. We sat there, me too. And I said, oh, I wish we had something to do. Too wet to go out and too cold to play ball. So we sat in the house. We did nothing at all. So all we could do was to sit. And we did not like it. Not one little bit. I know some good games we could play, said the cat. I know some new tricks, said the cat in the hat. A lot of good tricks, I will show them to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Then Sally and I did not know what to say. Our mother was out of the house for the day. But our fish said, no, make that cat go away. Tell that cat in the hat you do not want to play.
You didn't really see me today, so didn't have time to wish everybody a happy Sunday. So it's the end of the day now. as usually these last days we are watching Game of Thrones, so we're just taking a little break. It's almost 11 p.m. so it's soon time for us to go to bed. So we hope everybody have a nice weekend. As the time that you are watching us, gonna be the middle of next week. So right. So I'm gonna give you the French expression now. Babe, are you ready for the French expression?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the French expression will be, I don't know if you have something similar in English. The expression will be prendre son pied. Do you know what?
Take your foot?
Yeah, do you know what prendre son pied mean? Well, you say take your foot. Okay, take your foot is a translation of prendre son pied. But do you know what it means if someone say, j'ai pris mon pied?
No.
Okay, to take his foot mean you enjoyed it. For example, you're doing some things and you have so much fun, and you can say prendre son pied, like j'ai pris mon pied. A lot of person using it with girls. I'm not gonna show you some things, but they say, oh, I took my foot.
Okay.
Like to be in heaven.
Okay. Alright, you guys, so the Jamaican expression for today.
Say it in French, prendre son pied.
The R.
So that's why you're trying to skip it?
Prendre son pied.
Right, prendre son pied. Alright guys, so if you're watching enough and you are prendre son pied.
What?
I'm joking.
It's hilarious. Alright guys, so here goes for the Jamaican expression. The Jamaican expression for today is going to be never see come see. Simple means, or it's describe a person who have nothing in life. They are maybe have little or no home, little or no money, then they get rich, get opportunity, and then they show off on everybody else who have nothing. You understand?
Yeah, I understand this person who have nothing and they become like rich, and they show off
who don't have
right
anything.
They do exactly what they didn't like the others to do.
Right, so you call those kind of people never see come see.
So it's not good.
No.
Right.
Show off people, never see come see. So don't be a never see come see. Be humble. Say it.
Never see come see.
Right.
Never see come see.
Right. There you
Never
go.
see come see.
Alright you guys, you get it? Make
Never
sure
see
you
come
get
see.
it.
I get it.
Give this video a
Thumbs up.
comment.
Down below.
Subscribe.
If you're new.
Hey! On point! Turn on the
Bell.
hey! Baby's on his A game, you guys.
You think I'm not listening to you when you
I
talk?
know you are.
I'm listening
I know
to
you
you.
are. I'm so proud of you. Alright, you guys. So do all that babe says you're to do. We love you guys, and
We see you guys.
no, you're missing something. What they're to do.
To thank everybody for watching us.
Yes, and what else? Catch up and keep up.
Catch up and keep us.
Catch up and keep up, guys. And we will see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Bye, guys.